Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I am going to be doing my weekly cash stuffing, and I am also going to be cash stuffing some challenges, and I think one sinking fund that I need to use soon. So let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to be, I'm not sure how much I'm going to be cash stuffing because I am going to go over how much money I have left over from this first week of August, and we are going to be, of course, cash stuffing for the second week. Have you guys been doing on? My first week has gone pretty good and also pretty fast. I feel like this year is just going by like super fast, and so I can't believe we are almost done with the first week. So let's just go ahead and get started and go over how much money I have left over from this past week. So I went ahead and put my little sticky note on here so that way it can cover up my license. So let's see how much money I have left into each category. So the first one is groceries. So I did have some money left over, and I had showed you guys an unstuffing video where I had unstuffed my grocery money, and I had told you guys, I think that time I had spent $140 something. Well, I ended up going to Publix and buying a couple of more things. So now in groceries, I only have $6 left over, which I am going to be putting that aside for my challenges. And then once I put all the money aside, we'll count it all together and see how much we are going to be cash stuffing today. So next is restaurant. Of course, I spent that. I had only budgeted $20, and yeah, that is spent. Household, I also spent it all, and I also had a $20 amount budget. In gas, I do have some money left over. I do have $10 left over, which I am going to be adding that for our challenges. And this week was a short week for me because of Labor Day, and then I also have today off, which is Thursday, and so I actually have like half a tank of gas right now, so that's good. So of course I spent all my spending money. If you saw my cash stuffing, you saw that I spent it on Bath and Body Works. So I got me some body spray and some body lotion, and so yep, I spent it all. It was worth it. For personal care, I do have only $4 in here because I did kind of get $1 from here so that I could get some I needed $1. I think I went to McDonald's or something and I needed an extra $1, so I got it from here. So I'm just gonna keep that in here and for next week, because I have a lot of like personal care items still, and so I don't need to buy anything. Work has money left over, so I do have $5 left over, and I did spend $5 buying an energy drink and some gum. So I had bought a pack of 3 gum at Walmart when I did my grocery haul, and then I left that at home, and so I'm so used to just, you know, having my little gum, and so I had to buy that. And then I was feeling really like sleepy yesterday, and so I got me an energy drink, so that was like $4 and some change with the gum, so I spent that. And then Kodak has no money left over because I did get him some food, and right now he has a full, like a brand new box of food, so whatever I cash stuff in here, I might not even use it, I'm not sure. And he has snacks already, so we'll see. So let's go ahead and count how much money we are going to be starting with today, and then cash stuff. So let's start with 50. So I have 50, 100, 150, 200. So 250s. I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 in 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50 in 10s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 in 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 in 1s. don't know what that sound was. But anyways, that was kind of scary. I don't know what that was. But anyways, so I have $416 that I am going to be cash stuffing today. Also, if you see this little Halloween savings challenge, I will have this and another one linked down below that you can download and print if you want to do like a Halloween savings challenge. I will have that link down below for free in case you want to do, you know, a little Halloween savings challenge. So let's go ahead and get to cash stuffing. So groceries is going to be getting all of the $50 bills, and I'm going to be cash stuffing $200. I do plan to go to Aldi's today and do some grocery shopping. I think I have been doing good because last time I went to Aldi's and I got like a lot of meat and stuff, and so I think that helped with my grocery budget. I am trying to figure out like what to do with this grocery budget because sometimes I do go over. Restaurant is going to be getting $20 like always. And now that I've switched my schedule back to 4 days a week, I feel like I have been doing a lot better with eating out. Household is going to be getting $20. Now I think either next week I will be cash stuffing $35 for this, or putting like $35 aside for household, because my coworker is doing a fundraiser for her son's football team. They are selling like a big what is it, like a big jug, or big, not jug, like a big bucket of Tide laundry detergent. So I bought one last year and I showed you guys in a vlog, and it's like this big bucket of just like Tide laundry detergent, and I don't even know like how many gallons it is, but it's $35, and all the money is going to go to her son's like football stuff. And so she is selling that again as a fundraiser through the school, and so I'm going to be buying that because that laundry detergent lasted me a very long time, like a couple of months I think. And so I'm going to be doing that again and buying that from her. So I do have to set aside $35, but I think that's either next week, because right now she's just seeing like how many people are going to do it, and then she's going to collect the money later. So gas is going to be getting $40 this week, and I was thinking about doing 45, but I think I'm just going to do 40 since I still have some gas in my car right now. Spend is going to be getting my usual $20, and I might use this money for clothes because I do have a gender reveal party that I need to go to and a wedding to go to, and so I think I'm going to add this to my clothes fund and get some clothes. Personal care, I'm going to keep that, the $4 in here. Work is going to be getting $10. And then Kodak is going to be getting his usual $20 for his food. Because he has food and snacks right now, so I might not even need that, but I'm going to cash stuff it anyways. So that is it for my spending wallet. So let's see how much I have for my challenges. So I have 20, I don't even know why I got a calculator, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, $86 for our savings challenges, and I think one sinking fund that I do want to add to. So let's go ahead and see how much we are going to be adding to our challenges. So in this first envelope, I do have $1,000 saved already for, I guess you can say, an emergency fund that we keep here at the house in case we need like some quick cash. So I have that set aside. So my next challenge is my $1,300 savings challenge. And today we are going to be adding $30 to this challenge. So let's go ahead and add that. And I am going to be coloring this 30. And I am going to be adding the amount to the back. I will have these linked down below, in case you are interested in these. And so I have 100, 200, 300, 400, and $30 in this challenge. I think I do want to add these as part of my giveaway, but I will also have these linked down below. So next is my $300 savings challenge. So I am going to be adding $10 to this one. I'm so sorry if you hear my stomach growling. I haven't had breakfast and I'm hungry, and I probably should have done that first, but I was trying to get this out of the way. So let's go ahead and add $10. So we should have $130. So 120, 30, 40. Why do I have 100? Did I forget to write on this last time? So I have 120, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, I forgot to write the amount last time, so let's go ahead and fix that. So 140. Sometimes I get to talking and then I guess I forget to color or write things in. So next is our $2 savings challenge. And I think I want to go ahead and do the $6 that I have in once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. We have $12 in here. So let's color in. Oops, this one's laminated. So let's go ahead and get a Sharpie. So 2, 4, and 6. So let's go ahead and color that. And let's write the amount on the back. So now we have $12 in here. Whoopsie. Okay, we'll have to add the ones first. And then add this. Next is my $5 savings challenge. And I am going to be adding 5 to this. Let's go ahead and color it in so I don't forget. And add the 5 to the back. So we should have $40. So 20, 30, 35, 40. And I can't believe we have 40 already because we did start this challenge basically, I think again, didn't I? Didn't I finish? I had one for, was it $60, $80? I don't remember. It was a different challenge and I finished it, and so I'm starting this one over. And yeah, I can't believe I have $40 in there already. So next is our $15 savings challenge. So we are going to be adding 15 to this one. So let's see. Let's go ahead and color this in. You guys, my stomach is growling. Oh my goodness, I need to eat something. Okay, so I should have 165. If my math is correct, I should have 165. So 120, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, $165 in this challenge. So I am going to be skipping this challenge that I have been doing. I am going to be skipping that this week, and I am going to add these last, I believe it should be $20. So 10, 15, 20. I am going to be adding these $20 to my clothing envelope because I mentioned I do need to get some clothes, and so I also had added, I believe, $45 to this already. So I now have, let's see, I need to organize this. let's see how much I have to spend today, because I'm going to go today. And let's see how much I have for today. So I have 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 128. And then plus I also have the $20 for my spend money. So I'm going to be adding this to, whoopsie, my little thing came off. I'm going to be adding these to my wallet, so that way I can use it today, because I do plan on going to, I think, TJ Maxx. I just love TJ Maxx. I can't help it. It's like my go-to store, and it's like close to my house. So TJ Maxx is like my go-to store to like buy anything, basically, like house things or I don't know, clothes, purses, anything. So I'm probably going to go to TJ Maxx. I kind of want to go to Marshall's, but that's a little bit further away. So I don't know. I'll see if I'm up to the drive today. But anyways, that is going to be it for this week's cash stuffing video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And you guys, so far as of today, I believe I do have 497 subscribers. So I am so close to 500 subscribers, and I am super excited because I am going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. I have been talking about this for quite a while now, I think. And so in my last cash stuffing video, I did do a little preview of one of the things that I am going to be giving away. So I am super excited for that, and I hope that you guys are subscribed, and I hope you guys enter the giveaway. And so be on the lookout for my giveaway video. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I am going to be giving out, and so yeah, be on the lookout for that, hopefully soon. And I'm super excited, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching, commenting. I always say these words at the end of my video because I really do appreciate all the support and love. And just even though you are a silent viewer, I appreciate that. I really do. You don't have to always comment. Just thank you for being a silent viewer if you are. I really appreciate that. And to all of you that comment and like, thank you so much. And I hope you guys are having a good week or weekend whenever you are watching this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.